Today, we will introduce you to a compact-size speaker, WONDOM 2-inch 4-ohm 5 watts full-range speaker, SUPB5005. This speaker features a compact neodymium magnet that provides a strong magnetic field while being lightweight. It also comes with an integrated square plastic enclosure and a convenient pH 2.0 terminal, allowing for easy setup with just a simple connection. Additionally, its rubber surround design effectively balances quality, weight, and damping effects. With its ultra-compact design, SUPB5005 minimizes size and weight without compromising sound quality. It is specifically designed for panel installation and can be securely mounted with just a few screws. It also integrates rubber pads for effective shock absorption, making it highly suitable for various audio DIY applications. Let's take a look at its dimensions: approximately 75 mm in length, 66.4 mm in width, and 19.5 mm in height. Due to its ultra-compact design, this full-range speaker is small and lightweight, weighing only 94.3 grams. The rated power input for this speaker is 5 watts, with a maximum input power of 8 watts. It can be paired with BDM0 or BDM1 Bluetooth amplifier boards, making it ideal for desktop speakers, bookshelf speakers, portable speakers, and other audio DIY applications. The frequency response curve of the speaker is shown in the following graph. The impedance curve of the speaker is as follows. Now, let's complete the connection and test the speaker with some music to observe its amplitude. This full-range speaker has been optimized specifically for vocal frequencies, providing exceptional vocal clarity. Next, let's connect with the BDM0 and play music. The connection is simple. Just plug in the cables and it's ready to use.
The last that ever she saw him, carried away by a moonlight shadow, he passed on worried and warning. Carried away by a moonlight shadow, lost in a riddle that Saturday night. Far away on the other side, he was caught in the middle of a desperate fight, and she couldn't find how to push through.
We can hear that this SUPB5005 full-range speaker excels in the mid-range, delivering rich, powerful, and clear sound with abundant details. If you found this video helpful, please kindly consider liking, sharing, or leaving a comment. Thank you for your support and valuable feedback.